beauties, it's me, Alegra. Today I thought it would be so much fun to put together a yoga skin makeup tutorial. So that's what I did here. It's just a naturally looking, fresh, radiant, lit from within, glowing skin makeup look that I am personally just so addicted to. And to be honest, heading out with this type of makeup look on, you are going to be a total magnet for the opposite sex, just warning you. But don't be surprised if you are getting hit on left and right with this yoga skin makeup look. If you'd like to see how I create that yoga skin, glowing, fresh, gorgeous, radiant looking skin and complexion with makeup, then just keep watching. And if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And definitely if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. It helps me out so much. So just keep watching to see my yoga skin makeup tutorial. So first I'm going to start by spraying my skin with my beauty mist, and this is just full of vitamins and all natural ingredients that's going to help lay that base for that glowing, gorgeous skin. So while that's sinking in, I'm going to work on my brows a bit. And I just got this new Urban Decay Brow Blade waterproof pencil the other day. So it is two-sided. One side is a pencil and then one side is kind of like an ink stain, and it just really looks super gorgeous. It looks really natural and it's waterproof, so that's really awesome. So the only thing, it doesn't have a spoolie on it, so I'm going to go in with my oldie but goodie, my Anastasia Brow Wiz, which does have the spoolie, and the spoolie is huge for that yoga makeup look. You really want to have your brows in place, and then that glowing skin is just going to add all the more to that naturally vibrant, healthy, glowing skin look. So we're just going to brush those front hairs up. And then when we get towards the back, we'll smooth them outwards in the natural growth, in the way that they're naturally growing, you'll see. So right away that makes them look so much more fuller. I think it's so huge for the yoga makeup look, is to have those gorgeous, full, natural looking brows, but with makeup. So now I'm going to go back in with my Urban Decay Brow Blade. And so I'm just going to line a little bit underneath. Not really the front part of my brow, just under here where they start to grow towards my ear. You want to just follow your pencil in that shape. And then you want to just bring it down. And then again, just flick outwards, and you'll see the direction that your brows are growing, and you just want to flick in that direction. And now for the front part of our brows where they're growing upwards, we want to just flick upwards, just very gently, and then comb that through with your spoolie. So now I'm just going to go in with this Milk Makeup KUSH Fiber Brow, and this is really amazing, keeps your brows in place all day, very gently, barely touching my skin. Just glide it over my brows. And this also is tinted, so it will fill in any gaps you might have, so that's also amazing. So I'm really happy with my brows, guys. So let's get back into our face for a bit. So I'm going to take this Milk Makeup, this is the Blurring Primer, and we're just going to use lots of gel-like and emollient products today so we can get that really gorgeous glow going on. And this just really makes your skin glow. It blurs your complexion, it fills in your pores. It's super easy to transport around with you, and it's very easy to use. So you just go like that on your skin, and right away you feel mattified but not dry. And it fills in your pores, and it just makes everything look just really flawless and glowing and radiant. I don't know if you can see, but I have lots of oil on my forehead, and then right away it's going to kind of blur that oil out. So now I'm going to put on some of this Color Science Total Eye 3-in-1 Renewal Eye Therapy. This product is so amazing. It's a concealer, it's a color corrector, it's an eye treatment all in one. It is also filled with lots of vitamins. It feels amazing on your skin. It's instantly cooling, so it depuffs your eyes. Just super amazing. I always use this when I want a really effortless glowing look. And I'm just going to tap that into my skin. You can definitely use your finger. So now while I'm letting that all soak in, I like to head back into my eyes, and so I'm going to go in with the MAC Painterly Paint Pot, and taking a synthetic brush, I'm just going to go ahead and work that product into my brush, and then we're just going to lay it right all over our eye. So definitely pull it outwards like that. You really want to get it out. Brightening up that and taking it all the way out is going to make such a huge difference in your look and just make you look super wide awake, and just your eyes look bigger and brighter and all that good stuff. So now I'm going to take a really neutral, effortless kind of eyeshadow, and I do have this DIOR palette here. Use any really natural and soft eyeshadow. I love to just pop on a little bit of a really natural shade like this. So, and just take a super fluffy brush. I'm gonna just sweep that over your eye area, over your upper crease area. So now I'm gonna wet my brush, a little small tapered brush, and I'm just gonna take like a shimmer shade, any shimmery shade will do. And I'm just gonna put a little bit of that on the lid. A little bit on our tear duct area as well. It's just gonna really brighten up your eyes. And I'm just gonna take the tiniest bit of a dark matte shade and just on an angled brush, a very small brush, I'm just gonna put that right along my lashes, just on the outer portion of my eye. And that's just gonna very softly just make your eyes look bigger and just much more wide awake and a little bit sultry, which is always fun, right? So that's where we're at so far. So now I'm gonna curl my lashes and I'm gonna use this Shiseido eyelash curler, and this also just makes such a huge difference in making your eyes just look so wide awake. And then I'm gonna take some of this Stila Huge mascara. I've been just loving this mascara so much. So I'm gonna put some of this on. You just want to also get those lashes vertically on your lower lashes. That's going to make such a huge difference. So that's where we're at with our eyes so far. And now I'm going to get back into my face now that my primers and all of my beauty mist and all that vitamins and good stuff has sunken into my skin. I'm going to go back in now, and I just like to use a really emollient, a really creamy and moisturizing concealer. And again, I'm going to use an eyeshadow brush, a very fluffy brush. I'm going to wet it with my beauty mist, and I'm just going to apply some of this, and I'm just tapping it into my skin, and I'll put some here just to highlight. So I'm just tapping it on, and then when you get to the edges, you can just flick away. So tapping it, and then where you want to blend out the edges, you just flick. And now to get our glow even just more outrageous and just super glowing skin, I love to use this IT Cosmetics CC cream. And I also love this because it has SPF 50 in it, and I love to wear my SPF every day. I'm obsessed. I'm just going to wet my beauty sponge, and I'm just going to work that into my skin. And this is so full coverage for that yoga skin makeup look. I don't even feel like you need to wear foundation. But now I am going to put on a little bit of this Do You. This is a Fresh Glow foundation from Too Faced, and I'm just going to put a little bit of this on, and this smells so good too. This foundation from Too Faced smells so good. It smells like watermelon. So I just want to go ahead and set under my eyes really quickly so that I won't get any creasing. And I'm just going to take a little bit of translucent powder on a fluffy brush, and just taking the smallest amount for the yoga makeup look. You just want to tap off any excess, and this is just going to very gently set everything, but not make you look matte or cakey. Now I just like to take a little bit of this NARS Orgasm liquid blush, and just putting some on the back of your hand. I'm just going to dab a little bit of this onto my cheeks, and I'm just going to take a little bit of highlighter and just pop that right in there. So I'm just going to take some MAC Stripdown Lip Liner. So now I'm just going to pop on finally this Too Faced Grin and Bear It lip gloss. I just love this lip gloss. It feels really great. So beauties, this is the finished look. Thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me today and checking out my yoga skin makeup tutorial. Let me know if you try this tutorial, if you try this look, what are your thoughts, and tag me in any pictures with your own yoga skin makeup looks. I would love to see. So thank you guys so much again for coming and hanging out with me. Please subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and please give me a thumbs up if you like this video. I would really appreciate it. So I love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye, I love you.